Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So if you want to mute notification sound, you should first open the settings application and then tap here to the sound settings section. After that, you'll see here notification volume panel, and just if you want to mute it, you should hold and then swipe to the left side this dot, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first you should press up or down volume button, then click here to this scroll, and now just we can see here this volume panel, notification volume panel, and just we should to mute it, hold and swipe to the down, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.